Hi students, this is your English teacher. Now we are going to continue with the explanation of chapter The World in the Wall. Then one day I found a fat female scorpion in the wall, wearing what at first glance appeared to be a pale fawn fur coat. Closer inspection proved that this strange garment was made up of a mass of tiny babies clinging to the mother's back. I was enraptured by this family, and I made up my mind to smuggle them into the house and up to my bedroom so that I might keep them and watch them grow up. Dear children, as you can see, the writer is mentioning his curiousness that he inspected the mother fat female scorpion whom he saw in the wall. When he first saw towards that scorpion, it appeared that she was wearing a pale fawn fur coat. That means a type of yellow pale color cloth, which is not realistic, but he's imagining like that. And do you know, to surprise, what was it? It was all a mass of tiny babies clinging to the mother's back. The mother scorpion was covered by a very small babies of that mother scorpion, and they was not totally brown. They were yellowish in color, and so the writer thought it to be the yellow coating of a garment. Garment means cloth. And he was enraptured by this family. Enraptured means he was really very much shocked to see this. He was not able to believe that it is really happening. And I made up my mind to smuggle them into the house. That means he just thought of taking them all, the mother scorpion and the children, the tiny children of that scorpion, to his home only, and to take it to the bedroom so that he might keep them and watch them grow up. He wanted to see those tiny scorpions growing up in his house, in his bedroom. With infinite care, I moved the mother and family into the matchbox. What the writer is saying here, he took the maximum care. Infinite care means maximum care he took, and he moved the mother and the family. Family means the tiny scorpion babies. And where did he kept it? He kept them all in a matchbox. You might have observed matchsticks are kept in a matchbox. So he somehow managed to empty that matchbox and put the mother scorpion and all her young babies into that matchbox. And then hurried to the villa. Means then he started towards his house. Next paragraph. It was rather unfortunate that just as I entered the door, lunch should be served. However, I placed the matchbox carefully on the mantelpiece in the drawing room. The writer is now telling, as he entered his house door, lunch should be served. That means it was the perfect time of lunch. So they all have to be on the dining table for lunch. However, I placed the matchbox carefully on the mantelpiece in the drawing room. So what he found that he should be sitting on the dining table for lunch, so he kept that matchbox with the scorpion and the family of the scorpion out to the mantelpiece. Mantelpiece is the type of, you might have observed some slabs or some space is provided in the wall to keep some things. होता है ना घर में थोड़ा सा कुछ सामान रखने के लिए something on the wall. That place is called mantelpiece, where we sometimes put some decorative pieces to decorate our houses. I placed the matchbox carefully on the mantelpiece in the drawing room and made my way to the dining room and joined the family for the meal. After keeping the matchbox there, he went to the dining room and he joined the family for the meal. He also started taking meal. Dawdling over my food, feeding Roger surreptitiously under the table and listening to the family arguing, I completely forgot about my extra exciting new captures. Here what he's telling, he's now mentioning about his Roger. Roger is his dog, pet dog, and while doing his lunch, he was just taking the meals and he was also feeding the Roger, his dog, under the table and listening to the family arguing. You might have seen that when we all are at a table for lunch or some meal, we do discuss with our family. So he's saying that I was busy doing the discussion and also busy feeding the dog under the table. So he completely forgot about his exciting new captures. He completely forgot that what he had caught in that matchbox. At last, Larry had, having finished, fetched the cigarette from the drawing room. And lying back on his chair, he put me in his mouth and picked up the matchbox he had bought. What he has brought? He has brought that matchbox. Mistakenly, Larry is a brother of this writer, and what he does after taking the meals, he might be in habit of smoking cigarette. So he put out the cigarette and took the same matchbox which the writer has brought with the mother scorpion and the children. And what he has done, his brother Larry has taken the same matchbox mistakenly and he wanted to light up his cigarette. वो अपनी सिगरेट को लाइट अप करने के लिए क्या करता है, वो सेम मैच बॉक्स जिसमें कि स्कॉर्पियन का फैमिली और स्कॉर्पियन है उसको उठा लेता है. Oblivious that the end of my happy days was about to come, I watched my eldest brother interestedly. As still talking loudly, he opened the matchbox. He was just talking to me about the day, how was the day and how happy days ended. And now his eldest brother, interestedly means he was taking interest in my talks, still talking loudly. He is just busy in the talks. बातें करते करते वो busy है और वो क्या कर रहा है? He opened the matchbox. And you must just imagine what might have happened there. Now let us go to the next paragraph. Now I insist to this day that the female scorpion meant no harm. She was nervous and a little annoyed at being shut up in the matchbox for so long. Just that female scorpion who was just caught up inside the matchbox for so long time is quite irritable. किसी को भी इतनी देर मैच बॉक्स में क्लोज करके रखेंगे, he or she might be irritable, and so had happened to that mother scorpion. And she seized the first opportunity to escape. As soon as Larry, his elder brother, opened the matchbox, the mother scorpion just started coming out. And she pulled herself out of the box with great rapidity, her babies clinging on desperately. When she came out of the box, her babies clinging on desperately and scuttled on the back of Larry's hand. All the babies. Firstly, the scorpion came and it sat on the back of the Larry's hand, and they are not quite certain what to do next. Now, Larry is not able to decide what to do next because she paused her sting curved up at the ready, and Larry, feeling the moment of her claws, glanced down to see what it was, and from that moment, things got increasingly confused. Here what happened, Larry's hand was just covered with that scorpion, that female scorpion mother, and she was very anxious and also angry, so she just started to pierce the claws onto the Larry. And as soon as Larry saw this, he was quite amazed and confused what to do, as we all might be if we see a scorpion on our hand. He uttered a roar of fright that brought Roger out from beneath the table, barking wildly. He uttered a roar of fright. Fright means he was so frightened that he uttered a roar, means he was shouting with fear, and brought Roger out from beneath the table. And it was mentioned earlier that Roger, the pet dog, was under the table. So it also came outside, listening to the Larry's shouting. With a flick of his hand, he sent the unfortunate scorpion flying down the table. As soon as Larry saw the scorpion, he just shook his hand badly, and the scorpion fell down near the table. And she landed midway between the Margot and Leslie, scattering babies like confetti as she thumped on the cloth. Now the mother scorpion has just been dropped upon the table and the tablecloth, and also the babies started to fall on the table.